Good morning, guys. I hope you are well, and I'm so well. So let's go to the business of the day. So what we'll be doing today, as I've already stated, we will be learning how to configure Java, and we'll also be learning how to write the code to compile it and also to run it. So I hope by now you have installed your Java JDK. Java JDK. I hope you're ready, and I also hope you have your Notepad++. As you can see, I'm also running on Notepad++. So the first thing that I want us to now do is to configure our Java, our JDK, before anything else. So the first thing that I want you to do, I want you to click on File Explorer. After clicking on File Explorer, just come click this PC. Then after you've clicked this PC, just right click and click on Properties. Then after it is loaded, just come to Advanced Systems. Then after that, just come and click on Environment Variables. There we are right there. So you are gonna, as you can see, there are user variables for this user. They are also system variables. So you're gonna come here at system variables. You just come and say create. Then where there is variable name, you're just gonna name it path variable value. So with variable value, what you need now to do is to come to your C drive. You open it, then you go to where you have installed your Java. As for me, my Java is installed in a folder called program files. Then you open Java, then anyone, you just choose any, and then you open, then right click, properties, then you copy the location. You see, you want to copy the location. After that, just say okay. You go back to your variable value, then you paste it like that. Then after that, you press OK. I'm not gonna press OK because I have already configured my Java, right? So having done that, there's actually a way you can check if Java is currently running on your machine. So for an example, you can just type in cmd, then you open it, then what you can do is just to type in Java, then you wait for it for a moment. You see, it means that our Java has been installed. Java, we want to check if you see, all this is just telling us that everything is now working fine on our PC. Java is configured and it's working. Right now we can write a program, and when we write that program, it will be able to work. So let me just close this for a moment. Let me leave it here. So now we have learned how to now to configure Java. So right now I want you also to go to File Explorer, right? Go to the C drive. You see, this is my C drive, and right there, just create a new folder, name it com 1721. Just name it com 1721. Just place it inside. This is the folder that we're going to be using to store each and every program of ours. So make sure that it's always there. The reason I'm putting it here is because we want you to be safe, so that nobody must delete it or do anything. So after that, after creating the folder, let's open the folder, and then let's try to just create a new file let's just create, let's do it this way, a new text document, right? It's fine. Let's just create a new text document. So we're gonna name it this text document. We're gonna name it, for an example, let's name it my first. Let's just name it my first, right? Then after that, let's open it with, edit it with Notepad++. Then here we are. As you can see, here is telling us my first.txt.text. So when you are busy coding, you also have to know the save name, the file save name that you have used, because Java is also sensitive to that. So what you're gonna do now, I want you to navigate to this place where they have written language. Just click language, then just click on Java. Why am I using this? This helps you to now understand it highlights the Java keywords for you. So let's try to write our first program and see if this will work. So class my first, right? Remember, the class name should be the same as what, as the file save name. This should be the same. So after that, we introduce curly brackets, right? And we open. In other words, remember, I taught you in class that a class is a blueprint, right? It contains a lot of objects. So this is how we create a class. For now, we've created a class. Then we now to define we are defining our main class. So after define, you can see public static main void string arguments, or you can say it's still fine, it's still okay, but there's no method. So this is our first method. As you can see, it is busy highlighting what, the Java keywords, the Java keywords. So after that, let's just try to print out something. So let's just try to print out hello. Wow. So this is basically our print method. You see, this is basically our print method. So don't forget it. So let's try to save. You see, just click save, or let's just do the save as. Yeah, you see, for me, make sure that save as type is Java source file, or you can do it this way, all types, then my first dot Java, then you click on save. So as you can see, now the save file type has changed to my first Java. So how do we then run this program? Just click on top there and you right click and say opening containing folder in CMD. Then already, as you can see, we have navigated to the folder known as com1721. So what we need to do now is to write java. The name of our program, as we have named it, is my first dot Java. So let me take you back to the folder. As you can see, as you can see, you see there's only one there's only one source file here, and the file type is Java what? Java file, right? So let's try to compile. So when we compile, this is actually calling the Java compiler, and it's also calling my first. My first is it's just telling us the name of the .java. So as you can see, it has brought us an error. You see, we'll look at these errors very soon. What do they mean? How we can solve uh, those these errors. You see, so we're gonna go back to our code and try to change where we have failed, where we have failed. So as you can see, identify expected public static main void string blah 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 public what. So we're gonna check this out. It's also giving us the line number. You see, Java line number 2, Java line number 2. So we know where to get our error. So our error here is here. So we just need to change here and replace it like that. Then after that we save. Then we go back to command. We try to run our to compile our program one more time. The moment it gives you this, it is showing you that it is what? It has now compiled your program successfully. So how do I run it? I just call Java the name of my program. So then I want to show you something. As you can see, you see now there's now what? A class file. They are now true. This is what is going to be interpreted by the what? By the compiler. Remember we talked about the compiler and class. So this is the class file. It contains everything. The decode, it has been decoded here. So let us try to run. I don't know what is happening now. I don't know what is happening now. Okay, it seems as if my 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 Java JDK has a problem, but it's fine. Just try and I'll fix this later. But just try and run your your your, your your Java programs, and if there is any problem, I'll be willing to assist. I'll fix this because this has to do with installations. I don't know what is happening here. I don't know what is happening here. So I will fix it later. I'll fix it later. See, it's a problem that's inside. I'll fix this and try to see what is really happening. But anyway, I just wanted to show you how we do this thing. You know, you see, that's what I wanted to show you. But anyway, it's fine. I will look into that. So guys, tell me if you're having problems so that I can I can help you. Sorry guys, I was having a little bit of a problem. Sorry guys, I was having a little bit of a problem. But I want you guys to now ask me questions on the comment section so that I can try and answer your questions. And so today we have tried by all means to have a look at the Java structure. We have also tried to look at how to run the Java program. But I want you guys now to try and look at this and try and I'm not seeing any question, which means that people might have been understanding everything that I was just doing. But let me just have a little bit of a recap, right? I told you guys that what you're gonna do, you're just gonna come and just create a folder, which I hope most of you did that. After that, I showed you how now you guys can compile. I told you that you just save as the class name should be the same as the file save name. After that, you just now open containing folder on, then you just type in Java, then the name of your program, you see. So with me on this is just trying to show me that the Java is not really operating yet in my machine, because I remember in the morning in that other video I showed you what was happening. So then after that, if you want to run your program now, what you just need to do, then this now is showing you, it's calling the compiler to say compiler now compile the source code name spooks the Java. Then after that, everything will be well. I don't know if anybody has a problem. If you have a problem, please ask the problem in the comment section so that I can answer you right now before I cut the live stream. So if you have a problem, just let me know right now. Yes, I just got a message by Mtanganizeni Manduwana. He or she is asking, can it be possible for me to download this video so that I can even watch it later or at home? Yes, it's possible. I will not delete these videos. I will leave them online so that you can now revise with them, you see. And let me make this announcement. Our next class, or our next online class, we'll hold it next week, Monday, during the time of the class, which means that at 4 minutes to 3, I will also be live. I will send the link, and I hope by then everything will be sorted. So I believe you guys have learned something. I don't know if there's another, if somebody also has another problem of which I need to solve before I go offline. If there is no problem, then it's fine. I can release you guys to go and do whatever that you've been doing. Okay, I got your questions, and I believe you've been answered. There's someone was saying that can my PC can't install JDK. That's not true. That's not true. That's not true. You can actually download it without that 500 GB. You can actually install it. which means check if you are downloading the right JDK. And Favor is saying that, can we recap to setting up JDK? Of course, we will recap. We will recap. Then another thing that I want you guys to notice is that our next session will be on Monday. Time will be 5:06, and all issues will be resolved. And please tell others that we have started. I won't delete. I won't delete the videos for reference sake. So please guys, we need to get this thing going, and I apologize for the little delays that we had today. Technology sometimes it takes time, so I believe during the next time we will have a good nice session. And I believe my machine will always be ready and all the technical difficulties will be handled, right? You see, when you want to download Java JDK, you can just go to Google and just say Java JDK, and you see you can actually click there, and then you can actually download. So every time when you download, you need to check the version of your PC, right? Because there are different versions. These things are not the same. So outside that, you can actually download. You see, you can actually download what this JDK. So guys, till then, from me, let me just stop it right here, and then till we meet again next time.